Hello students, today you will learn chapter 7 Major Landforms of the Earth in SST online class. Landforms. Landforms are the natural, geographical or physical features of the Earth's surface. In this chapter, we will discuss mountains, plateaus, plains, desert and other landforms. Now, let us learn about these landforms. First of all, mountains. A mountain is the highest portion of the land. Mountains usually occur in chains or ranges extending over hundreds of kilometers. The tips of mountains are called peaks. The Pamir and the Himalayan ranges in Asia run 24 kilometers across north of India. Standing at 8,848 meters above sea level, Mount Everest in Nepal is the highest mountain peak in the world. Alps in southern Europe, the Rockies in North America, and the Andes in South America are some of the important mountain ranges of the world. Different mountains have different shapes and heights. Young mountains like the Himalayas are very high and have pointed peaks. The Alps, the Andes and the Rockies are also young mountains. Old mountains such as the Aravalli and the Appalachian are low in height and have rounded tops. This is because of erosion by wind and water for many years. Now our next landform is plateaus. A plateau is a large stretch of high and the flat on top. It is also called a tableland. The surface of the plateau is not always smooth. It is generally rugged and rocky. The Deccan Plateau of India is spread over thousands of kilometers. The Tibet Plateau is the highest in the world. It is therefore known as the roof of the world. Plateaus are in a large number in Africa, Australia, Asia, North America and South America. The plateau land is generally rich in mineral deposits. As like the mountain regions, life in the plateau regions is also very hard. It is difficult to lay roads, railways and canals because land is not smooth. Thus, these areas are also not much populated. The low plateau is good for farming areas and the high plateau is good for livestock grazing. Now, third landform that we have to learn is plains. A plain is a relatively flat and low-lying vast expanse of land. While some plains are extremely level, others may be rolling or undulating. Most of these plains are formed by major rivers and their tributaries, which have been bringing and depositing silt, stones and sand along their courses for ages together. We have a large plain in North India, the Great Northern Plain. It is formed by the deposits brought by the river Ganga and her tributaries. The Huanghe Plain in China and the Nile Valley Plain in Egypt are also formed by the rivers. Plains are the most suitable landform for human habitation. The plains formed by river deposits are very fertile. That is why they are densely populated. Plains are rich in forests and farmlands. Next landform is desert. A desert is a dry and barren land which receives little or no rainfall. It is very hard for plant and animal life to exist in the desert. About 1/3 of the land surface of the world is desert. This includes much of the polar regions, which are called cold deserts. There are two types of deserts, cold deserts and hot deserts. Gobi Desert in Mongolia and China are cold deserts, where the Great Indian Desert, the third desert, lies in western Rajasthan, is hot desert. In summers, the days are very hot, but the nights are very cool. Hot, dry winds blow during the day. And the strong winds in sandy deserts blow the sand into huge sand hills, which is called as sand dunes. At some places in a desert, underground water comes to the surface and forms pools. These places bear date palm, kikar and babul trees. Such a fertile place in a desert is known as oasis. Most of the inhabitation comes up around such oases. Crops like jowar and bajra are grown around an oasis in Thar Desert in India. Now, let us learn the largest desert of the world. First one is Antarctic Desert, which is situated in Antarctica. Second, Arctic Desert, which is situated in Arctic region. Third is Sahara Desert, which is in Africa. Fourth, Arabian Desert, which is in Middle East. Fifth is Gobi Desert, which is in Asia. Sixth is Patagonian Desert, which is in South America. Seventh is Great Victoria Desert, which is in Australia. Eighth, Kalahari Desert, which is in Africa. Ninth, Great Basin Desert, which is situated in North America. And 10th, largest desert of the world is Syrian Desert, which is in Middle East. Okay, now you have to learn it. Hot deserts, now you have to know that hot deserts are sandy, windy, hot and very dry, whereas the cold deserts always remain frozen. Now we have to learn some other landforms, that are a peninsula and an island. Peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by the sea on three sides but is joined to a larger piece of land on one side. The southern half of India has the sea on three sides. This part of the India is a peninsula. Next is island. Island. An island is a piece of land, okay, that has water all around it. It is surrounded by water from all the sides. Australia is an island continent. Often, islands in the sea are the tops of very tall underwater mountains. Now, Chapter 7 is completed and let's do its exercise work. Now, this is exercise work and objective questions of this chapter is your CW. Like A. Tick the correct option. B. Fill in the blanks. C. Write T for true and A for false statement. All are classwork and you have to do it in your book only. Question number D. Match the following. Okay. You have to do it in your book with pencil. Thank you. Have a nice day.